Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Aloo Gosht, a delicious Pakistani and Indian curry. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You will need 1 kilogram of bone-in lamb or beef, 2 large onions, 3 medium tomatoes, and a cup of plain yogurt. Don't forget your essential spices: turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder, along with ginger garlic paste. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the rich flavor base for our Aloo Gosht. Start by heating about 1/2 cup of oil in a large pot. Sauté your finely chopped onions until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, which usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. Next, stir in the aromatic ginger garlic paste for about 1 minute. Then, add your meat pieces and brown them thoroughly on all sides for 5 to 7 minutes, sealing in those delicious juices. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Add your pureed tomatoes, all the powdered spices, and the plain yogurt to the pot. Cook this mixture, stirring occasionally until the oil beautifully separates from the masala, which should take about 15 minutes. Then, pour in 4 cups of hot water, bring it to a boil, and reduce the heat to simmer for 1 hour. Finally, add 4 medium, quartered potatoes, and continue simmering for another 20 to 25 minutes until they are tender. Your Aloo Gosht is almost ready to be enjoyed. To finish, stir in 1 teaspoon of fragrant garam masala and a generous handful of fresh chopped cilantro. For an extra touch of freshness and a slight kick, garnish with thinly sliced ginger and a few green chilies. Serve this hearty and flavorful curry piping hot alongside warm naan, soft roti, or fluffy steamed basmati rice. It's a truly comforting and satisfying meal, perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.